Try out this unique way to secure a bun with a hair stick. Start by gathering your hair at the base of your head. Then wrap the hair up and around the hair stick. Rotate the hair stick a full 180 degrees. Holding in place, use your fingers to find the loop you have just created. Then flip the hair stick and grab some of the scalp hair in the tip. As you flip the hair stick, it will lay the hair out into a bun and create a space in the middle. Gently push the hair stick through the middle. Use your fingers, which you use to anchor the loop, to ease the hair stick up and over the hair, securing everything in place. Depending on your length and style, you can leave the ends out or twist them together and tuck under the bun, securing with a magic grip hairpin. An elegant way to use a hair stick to elevate a simple bun updo. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.